Hey everybody, this is your girl Pauline from my crafting hut. I'm getting ready to make a bow with this cadabra. Uh, I bought it and I've used it maybe two, maybe three times. So I want to practice a little more with it. So come with me as I journey through this process. So I put here my little cadabra, bowdabra line that is recommended when you're making your bows. And now I'm going to attempt to make a bow using the little gadget. So, oh, hold on, y'all. My granddaughter's calling me. Hold. Okay. So, go ahead and give it a twist. This ribbon I'm using, it looks like it's about 2 inches wide. One, two, maybe 2.5 inches wide. So I'm going to make 2 loops on each side with this because it is thick. See, I'm twisting it. Okay. And now I have this black ribbon. I'm going to add to it. This one is, what to say? Oh, this is 2.5 inches wide. So what is the other one? The other, oh, this is a 4 inch wide. Okay. So the burgundy color one is 4 inches wide, and the black and white checkered is 2 inches wide. Okay. I'm making these loops here just a little smaller than the first ribbon that I did. And again, I'm only doing 2 loops on this one. Okay, y'all. Let's see how this turns out. And Here's my little gadget to flatten this down. Okay, I must have left that in the house, so let's make this do what it's going to do here. So pull this up like they say and tighten that up. Okay, y'all. Tie a little, give this a little tie here. Hey y'all, so this is what it looks like. Hey y'all, so this is my bow. Alright. So I'm going to put this on one of my gifts that I made yesterday. So I'm going to make 3 more of these, and then I'll do a shot on it, showing what they actually look like on the gifts. So thank you for watching, y'all, and everyone have a blessed day. See ya.